Okay, so this is Arduino Bluetooth controlling a servo. The app controlling it is actually housed inside the thing it's controlling. It's almost too heavy for it, but let's see if it works. Up. It's having trouble hearing because its microphone is being gripped. Turn up. Finally. Turn down. It's also quite slow because of that right there, making it take a little bit longer. This is all offline speech recognition. Oh, it heard me say right, so it's going to try and turn right if it's not already in the right position, which it is. Turn left. Turn up. Turn up, please. Rotate up. Up, 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 up. This is the future of AI right here, folks. What's it doing? Finally. No! Turn up. Something's going on with it. Hopefully I'm not burning out those servos. I'm filming with an iPad because the main thing I would film with is currently being held by that robot. It's getting the speech down near perfectly. I just need to work on the speed at which it detects the words it's supposed to. It said spirit, not speed, but whatever. Go up. Did you break or something? Go up. Okay, turn right. Turn right. Something's off. It may have disconnected from the, may have disconnected. It may not be controlling it anymore. Let me see. Well, it does work. I just obviously have a few things to tune out. Down. Let me see. I don't think it's connected. Screen, serial monitor. Straight up to let you. Yeah, I think it disconnected is the problem. It's all to disconnect. Okay. Now let's try you. It may have jiggled one of its wires loose to the servo. Something's not working. But it did work. Proof of concept works. Where's the rules? Set rules. Serial monitor modes. Voice control. Set rules. Keyword. Let's see. Text. lowercase. Few rows. Number 1. What's this weird square? Some weird square. I think that has to do with speech recognition. I messed it up. Okay, anyway, start recog. Up. Test. Right. Got a lot of debugging to do.